The 2020s. 6. Liquidation. Check your bank account. Now, look at the prices at the grocery store. Do you feel it yet? In 2026, the safe path is officially a dead end. The math for the middle class no longer works. While you were told to save for a rainy day, the rules of the game were quietly deleted. The 9-to-5 isn't just a job anymore, it's a liquidation of your time. But while the majority is being squeezed, a silent group of asset builders is moving through a digital back door. They aren't working harder, they are owning the AI infrastructure that's replacing you. Stay with me until end today. I'm breaking the silence. I'm giving you the 5 AI-powered assets that are currently acting as a life raft. You have $100? Good. That's your buy-in. But you need to act before the window closes. This isn't just a video. It's your 2026 exit strategy. Asset number 1, the Ghost Landlord. AI REITs. Imagine knowing which neighborhood would triple in value before the first brick was laid. In 2026, humans aren't picking real estate anymore. AI is. These ghost landlords use algorithms to spot data center demand before it hits the news. If you're still buying physical houses, you're playing a 20th century game. The real money is in AI-driven REITs. With just $100, you aren't just a renter. You're the owner of the infrastructure the internet runs on. But hurry, the entry price for these specialized funds is climbing every single week. Asset number 2, the Shadow Manager, automated indexing. Why do most investors lose money? Simple. They are human. They panic when the market dips. But what if you had a shadow manager that never sleeps and has no heart? Tools like Composer use AI to execute trades in milliseconds based on cold logic, not fear. While the crowd is crying over a 5% dip, your AI is already shorting the market and moving your $100 into safe havens. While the crowd is crying over a 5% dip, your AI is already shorting the market and moving your $100 into safe havens. It's the ultimate unfair advantage. The question isn't if you should use it, it's why you haven't started yet. Asset number 3, the Lego income stream, digital assets. There is a hidden marketplace in 2026 where simple AI-built templates are selling for thousands. Most people think they need to be a coder. They are wrong. This is the Lego strategy. You use AI to build a smart solution once, and you sell the license forever. It's like owning a toll booth on a digital highway. Every time someone uses your tool, you get paid. It's the most scalable asset on this list, and it costs almost nothing to build. Are you building, or are you just consuming? Asset number 4, the Invisible Vault, tokenized gold. Gold hit $5,300 this month. But if you buy physical gold, you're paying storage fees and high premiums. You're being taxed for being old school. But there is a secret backdoor called tokenized gold. It's 100% backed by real bars in a Swiss vault, but it lives on your phone as a digital token. You can move $100 of gold across the world in 2 seconds. In a 2026 currency crisis, this is the only asset that remains invisible to the chaos. Do you have your key yet? Asset number 5, the digital clone, AI agents. This last one is the most disruptive. In 2026, you don't hire employees, you license AI agents. Using tools like Zapier Central, you can build a digital clone that handles customer support for a local business. They pay you a monthly fee for a service that costs you nothing to run. Scale that to 20 businesses, and you've just replaced your salary. This is the final boss of passive income. Most people will ignore this, and that's exactly why you will win. The cliffhanger. The Big Mac secret: you have the tools. You have the $100. But there is one final piece of the puzzle. Even Warren Buffett says that Owning the dirt is the ultimate win. And there is one company that used a secret real estate loophole to become the biggest empire on Earth. It's not about the burgers. It's about the land. Tomorrow, I'm revealing the McDonald's blueprint. You won't want to miss the opening minute. Hit subscribe or get left behind in 2026. The choice is yours.